Hi guys, so for this week's design we're using some nail pot polish colours again. If you're in the UK you can purchase these down below. This is shade Gluttony and shade Pinkie Pie. And as you can see we are sponging onto the nail. I did do one coat of Pinkie Pie just to act as a base before the sponging. Next, using a small dotting tool and black, we are creating a 5-petaled flower in the middle of the nail. Sticking with black, and this time the smallest dotting tool, we're doing a cluster of 3 dots on 3 sides. Using a black striper, we're going to do 4 short lines. Lastly, using a little bit of top coat, we're going to apply a rhinestone to the flower centre.